Want to create stunning AI art in just a few minutes? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create AI art in Krea AI in 2026, step by step, from prompts to final export. So let's get started. First, open Krea AI and sign in to your account. Once you're inside, head to the image generation or real-time creation section. Krea AI gives you different ways to create art. You can use text-to-image, real-time generation, or image-to-image tools. Pick the one that fits your creative idea. Now enter a detailed prompt describing your artwork. Include subject, style, lighting, colors, and mood. Yeah, the more detailed your prompt, the better your results. Next, adjust style settings if available. You may be able to change realism level, artistic style, aspect ratio, or quality settings depending on your plan. Click Generate and wait for Krea AI to create your artwork. Processing time may vary depending on server load and complexity of your prompt. If the result isn't perfect, tweak your prompt and generate again. Small changes can drastically improve the final artwork. I mean, sometimes just one word makes a big difference. Once you're happy with your image, use Krea AI's enhance or upscale tools to improve detail, sharpness, and resolution. Finally, download your AI art. You can now use it for social media, print, or creative projects in high quality. And that's how to create AI art in Krea AI in 2026. With the right prompts and a little experimentation, you can create amazing digital artwork in minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.